Why is this construction light out here? Oh, that's right. I am going to be installing a light fixture. This is an LED vanity fixture. This right here into this bathroom. This is our guest bathroom, and I just installed that cut-in box up there because the last people had a big old hole up there, about a 2.5 inch hole, and they had the wires shoved through there, and that's a no-no. You're supposed to always have, whenever you have Romex cabling coming out of a wall, you're supposed to have it in a junction box. So I installed a cut-in box up there. If you want to watch that, of course it's on my channel. You can go to my YouTube main channel page, click on playlists, then scroll down to everything electrical or electrical know-how. Scroll through those videos and you'll find it, and you'll find all kinds of other electrical videos that may help you with other projects. Hey, am I a professional electrician? Heaven forbid. I am not a licensed electrician, and you don't have to either to do these different videos. Now see, this was a previous light fixture that we had installed up there, but we weren't happy with it. And look, it looks like it's from the same company. It's from the same company here. Home Decorators Collection. Home Decorators Collection. Same one. This is an LED. Okay, but when this turned on, because of the prisms on the trim, you would see yellow light and white light, and it was throwing all kinds of shadows on your face when you turn the light fixture on and stuff. We wanted something nice and bright white, kind of like these. I installed these. Of course, these are on my YouTube channel. And this one, when you turn this one on, see that, how it's bright white light? Well, that's how we were hoping that other light fixture over there was going to look. But for some reason it didn't, and I thought maybe there's some sort of electrical issue with it. I went back to the Home Depot and I picked up this one, and when I looked at this one on display, sure enough, you look at it, and the trim made it so that you could see yellow coming through there and white. Well, I want all white, and I'm pretty sure this one's going to do it. Okay, and so that's what the video series is going to be about: how to install a light fixture, a vanity light fixture. If you want to watch that, stick around. Hey Joe, what size light fixture, what length light fixture do I need? Now see, this isn't a very long vanity at all, is it? It's about 32 inches long. And when I measure from here over to center of that, that's 16 inches. And so when I come up here, even though you got the toilet over here and the shower over here, it's like you don't want to get too long of a light fixture. If you got a 32 inch long light fixture, that would fit from this wall all the way over to this edge, but it would be too big for this room. You want something about 16 inches long, 18 inches long, 20 inches long, maybe even 24 inches at a pinch, depending what kind you like. When I went to the store and looked, I liked this one here. And see, usually you'll see the measurements on the outside somewhere. This is 20.5 inches. Okay, and 6.5 inches tall for the trim on the back, and 5.5 inches deep, meaning it comes out. This one's kind of slick too. It looks like there's 6 lights. There's not. These are coming out. This is chrome. This bit here. This, you're seeing the back reflection of this light here. These come straight out. They're just showing you a picture slightly different. Like I say, there's only 3 of these, and then there's little lights that come down here too. And I saw it. It's always nice to when you pick something out at the store, if you can find it up on the wall and you can kind of see it with the light on, it gives you a better idea of what it's going to look like before you bring it home. Remember that. Now, because this is all existing conditions and everything, look at this. I'm using this as a catch-all room. We're moved in to the condo and everything, and I've still got bits and pieces of painting to do, and some electrical still to do, and a couple other little things here and there. to do. So I'm just storing everything in here. We don't use this bathroom right now. And so I got the A-OK to do that. And so this is not brand new. So where that light fixture, that old light fixture was initially, of course it's on a light switch, and they had dimmers on all the light switches in the bathroom, which I thought was kind of nice. This is for an exhaust fan, and this was the light, and so I want to make sure that's off. And if there's only a slide and if there's no paddle on the bottom, make sure when you put the slide down you actually do that last little click, or else it's still, you know, if you're right there, it's still going to be on. And those wires up there are hot right now. Okay, so if you have a dimmer, click it all the way down. And incidentally, these LED light fixtures are dimmable. And that was another reason why we chose those, because we installed these lights in here. They're dimmable, and when I installed those, I put a dimmer switch in here. And see how nice that light is, nice and clean looking. We repainted in here a medium gray on the walls and white on the doors, so everything pops next to there and everything looks all nice and clean. And then you can dim those. Isn't that nice? So at night you can just dim it a little bit, whatever. And we did all that, and so I'm pretty sure that one is going to be dimmable. And more times than not, bathrooms usually have just a standard paddle switch like this. You might want to look at some of yours in your bathrooms and decide, hey, wouldn't it be nice to put it on a dimmer? Because we've got a dimmer in the bathroom and the master bath here. I haven't replaced this light fixture in here just yet. Ooh, look at this ceiling fan, would you? I installed that. Of course I got it on my YouTube channel. All right, so we haven't painted here yet. So at night, when we come in here for the bathroom, I just barely turn the dimmer on. Come on, here, see? And it's on the dimmer switch right here, and it even is a lit dimmer switch. See that? So when this is off, like if you're in the garage or a hallway or something, you can see right where it is. Isn't that cool? Okay. So at night, you can just have them like that way. That way you don't, your eyes aren't like boing at 2 o'clock in the morning. They're on down like that. So I always like to have dimmer switches in the bathroom. Okay, so enough of that. So where your junction box is, generally the wires will be pushed in there. Just pull them out. Make sure you straighten them out a little bit. And I did that. I've got the wire nuts on there. I've got my light switch turned off. Click off all the way. And they have some other dimmers too, where you slide this like this, and then there's a paddle down here, on off. Or there's something on the side where this is on off, and then there's a little slide here that you take your thumb and do. So there's all kinds of different types. Okay, so that's off. I know the power's off to there, and I'm just going to leave that. I'm not going to do anything with this yet. I've got the wires out. I've got them straightened out a little bit, and I'm going to go down to my light fixture, and I'm going to open this all up and check it all out. My next step.